Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tools and tips to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something straightforward yet essential: how to create a folder on SharePoint in 2025. SharePoint is Microsoft's powerful collaboration platform, and with its updates, managing files has never been smoother. Whether you're a student organizing projects, a professional handling team documents, or just someone tidying up your digital space, this quick tutorial will get you up and running in minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint account. Head over to the Microsoft 365 portal or directly to your SharePoint site by typing in the URL. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site or library where you want to create your new folder. Libraries are like digital filing cabinets, so pick the one that makes sense for your files. Now, let's get to the action. Look for the New button, usually found at the top of the page. It's often represented by a plus sign or a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options, select Folder. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your folder. Choose a clear, descriptive name, like Project Q1 Reports, to keep things organized. After entering the name, hit Create or Save, and voila, your folder is ready. One tip for 2025. SharePoint now has improved search and tagging features, so consider adding metadata to your folder right away to make it easier to find later. Once created, you can start uploading files by dragging and dropping them in or using the Upload button. There you have it. That's all it takes to create a folder on SharePoint. It's a simple process that can save you tons of time in the long run. If you run into any issues, double-check your permissions or reach out to your admin. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.